All right, drink we're about to make is called the English Rose Cocktail. So let's go ahead and put our ice in a glass and have a martini glass ready with some ice and water in it. Let that sit for 30 seconds, and it'll get nice and chilled. All right, add 1/2 shot of apricot brandy, and follow that up with 1 shot of gin. And next, we will add 1/2 shot of dry vermouth. And follow that up with 1/4 teaspoon of lemon juice. Oops, here we go. That'll do it. And we're going to mix that up real well. There we go, that should do it. And we've got our martini glass. And we'll go ahead and pour that in. And the last thing we're going to do is add a teaspoon of grenadine. That'll give it our nice red color. All right, add a cherry, and that is it. Bottoms up.